The U.S. Navy has awarded Northrop Grumman Undersea Systems a $9.9 million contract for maintenance and support of the AQS-24 Mine Detection System. The contract covers exercise options for the accomplishment of depot-level repair, maintenance, and modifications of the mine detecting system to support the Navy for the currently deployed airborne mine countermeasures legacy systems. The company will also provide incorporation of engineering change proposals, including the updates of all integrated logistics support documentation to support the conversions and sustainment. It is a helicopter-towed sonar array system, incorporating sonar, laser, and acoustic payload configurations used in the detection and classification of oceanic mine threats. The system consists of the tow fish, tow cable, or umbilical and tow vehicle, most commonly used with the Sea Dragon helicopter.